easy, but if you mess up getting started, it's hard to straighten it back out. Edge.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
They'll clean every bit of that up tonight.
Okay.
And that'll keep me from having to go too fast and get that honey on that brood. Because like I said before, if that honey gets on that brood,
Mm-hmm.
it's over. There it goes. A little bit. But I gotta get this underneath there so I can. Will you grab me one of them small, or what didn't we have a small bucket here? I could start vacuuming. What I do is I crush it up and put it in one of the buckets with holes in it, in the lid, and I just turn it upside down on the hive and let them take it right back in.
Yeah.
Right.
And it'll get their wax glands going, and they'll build so much comb. They'll do it so quick it's pathetic, really.
You want me to go get the water?
Trying to see what we've got here. Good grief. See what I'm afraid of? It could be honey out here and brood on the inside.
Right. Yeah.
And as soon as I cut it, it starts running on. I need to start from the bottom. I can't get to the bottom. Yeah, can I use the sink?
Yeah. That is cool.
They're really being nice, y'all. I mean, I haven't even. Usually, if they're going to be aggressive, they'll start bumping on you and warning you and stuff. I haven't even had any bumped into me.
Yeah.
They bumped into me.
They have?
Yeah, on my hood.
Because you're
Yeah,
scared.
I'm not
also.
scared. I'm not really scared.
Oh.
Let's
You wanna?
see. You just set it right here.
Okay.
I need to get to the bottom, and then I can start figuring out when the brood's going to be coming out.
Some of them
Okay.
we get grayer now.
What?
Tell them. Tooses.
That's what they've done. They've ran it from that back wall, and they just attached it wherever they could. They didn't want to make it easy, that's for sure.
Never. They thought they're gonna live over here forever.
I know they wanted to.
Yeah.
It looks like, well, that looks like old honey. I see uncapped honey right there. I'm fixing to cut it. Where did that long knife go?
Yeah.
What?
That's crazy.
What?
Yeah, the whole thing.
The whole thing.
What? The whole thing
It's crazy. Yeah.
There's wood in there?
some old honey there now.
When did you get into it?
Right.
Bee stuff? How long have you been doing it?
About 10 or 12 years ago, I guess.
Oh,
Where'd that bag of